from TechConnect. I'm the customer consultant in TechConnect, and I'm seated here with the CEO of TechConnect, Arno Joubert. Arno, thank you for giving your time to us today. He's going to be welcoming you to the TechConnect family. Over to you, Arno.
Thank you, Tans. I appreciate it. It's great to be here. I'm excited to welcome all our new clients and especially you as a new client. Welcome to the TechConnect family. It's not that small of a family anymore. We are growing, like you said, but I just wanted to say a very, very big, warm welcome to you as a new client to TechConnect and explain a couple of things. What's going to happen next?
Okay, let's dive straight into it. First things first, what can clients expect from us now that they've actually signed in, they've given us their money? What can they expect from us?
That's a great question. Okay, so once you've signed up, that's when the whole back office team gets to work. So one of our skilled technicians will handle your installation, and this is how it works. First, we order your equipment, which usually takes 3 to 4 days, depending on if it's over a weekend or not. And then once we receive your stock, we'll call you to schedule the installation at your house or at your business. And usually the installation takes 2 to 4 hours, depending on the complexity of it. Yeah, about 2 hours, 2 to 4 hours.
Okay, great. Now clients have their equipment installed. Everything seems to be going great. What happens next?
So after the install, we'll add you to our client WhatsApp group, and I ask you very, very nicely, please do not remove yourself from that group. It's called TechConnect Client Info or something in that vein. And this group is for important updates like network maintenance that we're doing, any downtime that we're experiencing or expecting. And do not worry, we promise that we will not spam you. It's just to keep you informed about your connection. That's it.
Oh, great. It's great to know that you won't get spammed. And I really promise we will not abuse it. And up next, most of the times when we deal with products and services, we always look for support options. We always look on who to contact when there's a problem or we want to ask questions. So what support options do we have available?
I'm really happy to say we've got you covered in that sense. Our help desk is available from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. on weekdays, and then from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on weekends and public holidays. And then you can call us at 013 013 0310. Please save that number. It's for WhatsApp and telephonic support. That's 013 013 0310. And then on that number, we'll either answer your calls quickly, WhatsApp you back, and it's really nice and quick. Then if you don't have a very urgent query and you'd rather send us an email, send that mail to help@techconnect.africa. If you have billing queries and things like that, that isn't that urgent, and we'll respond within 24 hours on that email.
Great, thank you for that information. Support hours and support options are so vital and important in a business or in any service rather. Anyways, moving on, we have figure compliance. In accordance to that, what should clients know? What should they look out for?
Yes, as acquired or required by ICASA, our governing body, we'll need a copy of your ID or a driver's license or a passport, any form of identification, which you can hand to the technician during installation, or you can send a photo via WhatsApp to 013 013 0310.
Like anything else, nothing is as nice as having benefits added or having certain benefits in accordance to something you buy or receive. Anyways, what benefits would you say there are to joining the TechConnect family?
It's important, I think, to know that all of our packages are unshaped, uncat, optimized for video and voice traffic like WhatsApp. We have built-in whalebone security in the background that helps to keep you and your family safe online. And then also remember, you've got an hour of free IT support per month. So if you're battling with your computer, let us know, and we can AnyDesk into your computer and sort those issues out. Then obviously we're also committed to providing fast, reliable, and affordable internet to our community. And I think the support that we offer up till 10 p.m. is a massive benefit as well.
Definitely. Definitely. Anyways, Arno, thank you for your time. This is pretty much all the questions that I had and that I believe that are frequently asked questions. I hope we've covered everything. If there is someone who still has questions, they're more than welcome to reach out to us on 013-013-0310. Once again, for any related questions or anything general, we might be able to help you in the right direction. Anyways, thank you for this chat a lot and welcome to the TechConnect family. Signing out.
We really thrilled to have you on board, and we look forward to keeping you connected to what matters most. And like Tandy said, if there's any questions, please just give us a ring or send us a quick WhatsApp. Thank you so much for joining our family.